Come, my friend, sit with me for a moment. Today, I want to share something that took me a lifetime to understand: the secret of self-confidence. You are not born confident. You become confident through small victories, quiet courage, and daily choices. Every confident person you see once doubted themselves. The only difference is they kept going. There is a small voice inside all of us, a voice that whispers, "What if you fail? What if you're not enough?" But hear me well, that voice is not there to stop you. It is there to test your courage. Do not wait for big miracles. Confidence grows from small actions. Read one page. Walk for 5 minutes. Try again tomorrow. Each small promise you keep teaches your mind that you can be trusted. You have survived nights you thought would break you. You have walked through storms you never asked for. Do you know what that means? It means you are stronger than you think, and braver than you believe. Be gentle with yourself, my friend. Speak with love, not judgment. Instead of saying, "I can't," say, "I am learning." Instead of saying, "I always fail," say, "I will try again." Every great journey began with one small step. Not a perfect step, just a step. Start today. Do something your future self will thank you for. Remember this: confidence is not the absence of fear. Confidence is choosing to move forward despite your fear. Keep walking. Keep believing. Your best days are still ahead. The world needs you. Don't give up.